Your iPhone has 3 simple safety features that could help protect you in an emergency: emergency SOS, medical ID, and emergency contacts. Let's make sure they are ready before you need them. First is emergency SOS. It allows your iPhone to call emergency services quickly, even when your phone is locked. When every second counts, this feature can make a real difference. Let's make sure they are ready before you need them. Emergency SOS is quick and simple to use. Press and hold the side button and either volume button at the same time. When the emergency screen appears, slide the emergency SOS control to call emergency services. Stay calm and follow the operator's instructions. Next is medical ID. Medical ID allows emergency responders to see important health information, even when your iPhone is locked. This can include your medical conditions, allergies, medications, blood type, and emergency contacts. Setting it up today could help save valuable time in an emergency. To set it up, open the Health app. Tap your profile picture, then tap Medical ID and edit. Add your important health information and emergency contacts. Turn on Show when locked, and then tap Done. Emergency contacts are the people you trust most. After an emergency SOS call, your iPhone can notify them and share your current location. This helps family or friends respond quickly when you need them. To add an emergency contact, open the Health app and go to Medical ID. Tap Edit, and then add emergency contact. Choose someone you trust, select your relationship, and tap Done. Take a few minutes today to check all 3 settings: emergency SOS, medical ID, and emergency contacts. A little preparation now can make a big difference in an emergency. Your safety matters. Share this video with someone who may need it, and subscribe to Simply Senior Guide for more simple and helpful technology tips. Stay safe and stay informed.